racing.
Hey,
Day
man.
out.
Hey, listen, man. Hey,
Day
man.
out.
Hey, listen, man. Don't go nowhere.
Look at
Hey, Strictly Business Racing LLC, man. Y'all come check us out.
y'all here.
Address is
What?
3640 Northwest 19th Ave.
Bay what?
6.
And listen, if you ain't got no motor yet, don't worry about it, cause we got you covered. Cause Bay what?
6.
Bay 6 got you covered. Oscar right next door. PRD ahead above the rest, man.
What? All right. Y'all heard it. If you want to go fast, you know what you got to do. Strictly Business Racing, the LS specialist, specializing in LS builds, Domks, G bodies, box Chevys, big blocks, small blocks, fabrication, wiring. Contact us for any of your performance needs, whether big or small. That's right, Strictly Business Racing, aka SBR. Contact Rick at 954-245-4630. Y'all see that? Strictly Business Racing.